Hello teacher, today I would like to talk about asking for help at work. Sometimes I need help when I have difficult tasks, when I use a new machine, or when I don't understand the customer's requirements. I also ask for help when I have a problem that I cannot solve by myself. I usually ask my team leader or my senior coworkers because they have more experience. Sometimes I also ask the electrical engineers or other departments if I need technical support. When I ask for help, I try to be polite. I usually say, "Could you help me, please? Could you explain this to me?" Or would you mind checking this drawing for me? I always say thank you after they help me. I think teamwork is very important because we can solve problems faster, learn from each other, and reduce mistakes. Good teamwork also helps us finish our work safely and on time. Thank you for listening. See you later.